Hi dear students, let's we learn about our solar system. Do you know the planets are in our solar system? These are the planets in our solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Here are the 8 planets around the Sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury is a first and small planet which orbits closer to the Sun than any other planet in our solar system. Mercury has no moons. Mercury is so close to the Sun. Mercury has a very low surface gravity and has no atmosphere, which means there is no wind or weather to speak of. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. Venus is the brightest object in the sky besides our Sun and the Moon. Venus has no moons. Venus has more volcanoes than any other planet. Venus is known as the hottest planet compared from the 8 of the planets. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Earth has one moon. It is the only one planet that has liquid water on its surface. It is the only planet in the solar system that has a life. All the living things can live in the Earth. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is the second smallest planet in the solar system. Mars has 2 moons. Mars has seasons like Earth too. These seasons are much longer than Earth seasons because Mars is so much farther from the Sun. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is so big that more than 1300 Earth school fit inside it. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system after the giant Jupiter. Saturn has 62 moons. Saturn is a very light as it is made up of more hydrogen than helium, so it is a less dense. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Uranus was the first planet discovered by telescope. Uranus has 27 moons. Uranus is the coldest planet in our solar system because it is farthest from the Sun. Neptune is the eighth planet in the solar system. It is also known as the last planet in the solar system. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun in the solar system. Neptune has 13 moons. Neptune is a larger water planet with a blue hydrogen methane atmosphere and faint rings. Neptune suffers the most violent weather in our solar system. Here are some simple ways how you may remember the planets by order and size. What can you state about the temperature of the planets? This is the fact, the temperature of the planets. The temperature of the nearest planet to the Sun is higher than the temperature of the farthest planet from the Sun. However, Venus has the highest temperature in solar system because of its thick atmosphere that traps the heat. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system because the tilt makes the planet spill out a lot of heat into the space, thus retaining very little. Consequently, it becomes colder than the other planets. This is the temperature of the 8 planets in our solar system. How does a planet revolve around the Sun in the solar system? What is an orbit? In our solar system, the Earth orbits the Sun, as do the other 8 planets. They all travel on or near the orbital plane, an imaginary disc-shaped surface in space. All of the orbits are circular or elliptical in their shape. In addition to the planets' orbits, many planets have moons which are in orbit around them. Revelation time of the planets. The time taken for each planet to revolve around the Sun is different. What is the difference between the Earth's orbit and Mars' orbit? Mars is farther from the Sun compared to the Earth. So, the pathway of Mars in its orbit is longer. It is about 56 million kilometers between Earth and Mars. In conclusion, the time taken for Mars to revolve around the Sun is longer compared to the Earth. As the distance between a planet and the Sun increases, the time taken for it to make one complete revolution around the Sun also increases.
We go up to the sky. Let's see our solar